What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, I am the Secret Yorkshire Cook, and in today's video we're going to be making creamy Tuscan chicken pasta. Now, if you have a look on the right hand side of the screen, you'll see all of the ingredients that you need for this recipe. If you need some time to write them down, please do pause the video here. One quick thing before we jump into this video. Please, if at any stage you enjoy this video or you find it useful or you decide maybe you want to make this particular recipe, drop me a like, drop me a comment and do consider subscribing. It really does make the difference to my channel and I really do appreciate it. This is where I'm quiet guys. Please do enjoy this video and I really do hope you enjoy making this creamy Tuscan chicken pasta. What's up guys, thank you very much for making it to this stage in the video. I really do appreciate it and your view is very much appreciated and it really does help my channel. Now if you haven't already subscribed to my channel or drop me a like or a comment, please do consider doing so. It really helps my channel and it helps the YouTube algorithm know that people are loving my content. Guys, that's it from me. Please do stay safe with this whole world pandemic that's going on, and remember, keep cooking.